Hi friends and dear students. In my series about the college admissions, now I come with another college review, this time about the Christ University, Bangalore from the southern region. Now Christ University, it believes in the vision of excellence and service with a mission about nurturing individual with the holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Now Christ is deemed to be university and it's proud of its eco-friendly, serene, peaceful environment and deeply committed to upholding the value system. It expects its students to conduct themselves in a worthy manner in their dress, demeanor, and sense of discipline. Now, point to be noted that this university has over 18,000 students with more than 800 faculty members and foreign student community of about 700 from 58 nationalities. This university offers national and internationally recognized UG, PG and research programs and MBA. So, as we can see in this slide, it has 5 campuses across. Now, the first and the main campus, it is located in the central part of Bangalore city. It is on the extension of Hosur Road, which is on National Highway 7, opposite to Bangalore Dairy Circle flyover. The second campus which is there, it is in the Bannerghatta campus, stands as an illustration of an eco-friendly campus. It proudly exhibits the spirit of our university values. The campus is situated in the hub of Bangalore and it connects all the main roads in and around the city. This campus assures the safety, academic, personal growth, discipline, and a bright future to every student who steps into the campus. Next campus is Kengeri campus. It is 25 kilometers away from the central campus and 10 kilometers away from the Bangalore University and little around 8.5 kilometers away from RV College of Engineering towards the Mysore Road. Christ, which is deemed to be university, they started with the Faculty of Engineering in the year 2009 to promote quality technical education in engineering. So this campus, Kengeri campus, is for the technical education. It strives to develop effective, quality, it strives to develop effective leaders in engineering technology with ethical and human values to shape the nation. Now there are 2 more campuses. Next is there in the NCR, Delhi NCR, which is amalgamation of the students from different ethnic groups who work and learn in a harmonious environment as a as they make memories for a lifetime. So young Christies with positivity in the sprawling campus of this Delhi NCR. It's a well-planned institute with a peaceful atmosphere. The teachers are very friendly and supportive. Teaching and learning goes hand in hand and it offers enough opportunities for the self-introspection. The next in the line is the Lavasa campus in Pune. It's a unique atmosphere, far from the hustle and bustle of the city. There is no compromise on infrastructure, and they are provided with the best state-of-art facilities in the campus. The weather, environment, pleasant atmosphere makes the Christ Lavasa uh, campus from the class apart from the other campuses. So it's a home away from home, and altogether we can say this campus provides a different and wonderful experience. It is the right place to mold the personality of a professional with constant support from the faculty. Now, this pie chart clearly indicates the most popular courses in the university is the business and management, followed by economics, commerce, psychology, law, journalism, art, humanities, sciences, architecture, engineering, education, social sciences. So they offer uh, courses in various fields for the UG, PG and the uh, research oriented. Now for the ranking, Christ is one of the first institution in India which is to be uh, accredited in 1998 by the NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Subsequently, in the year 2004 and 2016, they have been graded A on a 4-point scale. And to add to that, this college has always been ranked among top 10 colleges in India in management, art, science and commerce streams. It has been ranked at the topmost position for its courses in management, consistently maintained the 6th position in the country for its art, science and commerce courses. Fee is on average 1,18,000 per year. Now, according to the circular which is there on the website about the selection process for the academic session 21-22 for UG program, they are conducting ET entrance test which will be online. Details can be seen on the website, followed by a micro presentation and personal interview of the candidate. Now, micro presentation, they have to speak for about 90 seconds on a given topic which is given by the panel, and interview. So the entire duration of the interaction will be somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes, and that will also be online. So based on along with that, when you fill the application, they need the scanned copies of class 10 or class 11th or 12th mark card while filling the application. So if you don't have the class 12 marks now, you can upload the marks of any test conducted during class 11 or your pre-board or your selection marks for grade 12. So your office of the admissions will verify the scorecards. Application which are without any scorecards or not clear scanned copies, they will be rejected and termed as non-eligible. E-card will be generated and as per the important dates mentioned in the websites. Now coming to the facilities, they have wide range of facilities from library to gym, indoor games, hostel, computer facility, laboratories, auditorium, canteen. Now library is the soul of any institution. It's a center of acquiring, possessing, preserving and disseminating information to the user community with the motto of empowering knowledge. So keeping the ethos, Christ University Library has well-trained staff and an automated library system to enrich the user community with a wide range of academic resources such as books, journals, periodicals, online periodicals, database, back volume CDs, DVDs, project report, audio video cassettes, question bank, etc. They have a very good Wi-Fi in the study room and the recreation hall. Student can make use of well-equipped gym and indoor game facilities such as table tennis, chess, carom board. So they have good facilities. Now coming to the placement, which is very important. The objective of the placement office is on also on the professional development of the students. So campus, and keeping in line with it, campus arranges recruitment drive every year. The selection process generally starts with a pre-placement talk in which organization gives the students insight into the company's profile, job profile, career path, CTC, which is followed by actual selection process, that is written test, group discussion, personal interview, etc. So university has state-of-the-art facilities that make the campus recruitment a very pleasant experience for the students. Student placement representatives from each class are also present to provide assistance throughout the selection process. Now, coming to the noted alumni, now to name a few, Anjana Menon from the film industry. Predominantly, she appears in Malayalam films. Ankur Betgiri is a noted art activist, writer, poet, fiction writer. Then Apurva Kasaravali is a Kannada film director. Arvind Venugopal, playback singer in Malayalam film industry. And Francis George, the former MP member of Parliament. So I hope I could furnish you the important details, the nitties and gritties for the academic session admission for the Christ University. So if you like the video, please uh, subscribe, share and do comment. And please mention the college which you are keen I should be covering. I'll come up with those as well. Thank you so much.